Today at US Cavalry, we're going to take a look at the Woolrich Elite Series fleece jacket and vest. Both of these garments are sized and designed as a layering piece to the Elite Waterproof Breathable Parka. Each of these pieces is suitable to wear alone. First, we'll look at the jacket. The wind-resistant 8.5-ounce fleece shell is reinforced with nylon ripstop material on the shoulders. The two-way side seam zippers can provide ventilation, but are perfect for accessing belt-worn gear such as a holster. This zipper is just one of the features also found on the parka, and it's what makes these garments the perfect layering choice. Two large zippered hand warmer pockets are found at waist level and allow access to the waist cinches. There are also two Napoleon-style pockets on either side of the front zipper. These are very convenient to access while sitting, such as in a car. One zippered shoulder pocket is located on the left arm, as well as a dual pen pocket on the forearm. For those legal concealed carry holders, these garments are perfect for today's small pocket pistols. The left Napoleon pocket has a sewn-in elastic loop for your weapon, and the left-hand warmer pocket has dual mag loops. Finally, the inside is lined with a tricot liner for easy on-off. The only difference between the jacket and the vest are that the shoulder pocket has moved to the left chest on the vest, which also has a pen pocket. Both the jacket and vest are available in black and make the perfect accessories to the Elite Waterproof Parka. Pick one up today at uscav.com.